Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in and for reading if you read the blog. I'm using this as a script for YouTube. The drawing you see is a part of the Man vs. Giant series that I'm working on. However, it's not done yet, and so forth, so I thought I'd just use it here. I'm trying to keep that as much of a secret as possible. This will, however, be uploaded to my thumbnail and drawing process series, where I talk about topics like this, and sorry if there's any background people talking. In this video, I'll talk about, and I just wanted to say I don't think that I know everything. I'm just learning myself, so on and so forth. Thought this might be a good topic to talk about. Anyways, the topic is construction or constructing a drawing, how shading should be learnt or applied last, how things like shape and form are more important than shading, and what you can practice. Learning to construct a drawing or shapes of the drawing or what you are drawing is probably the first thing a beginner should focus on. I feel that beginner artists try to jump to finished results first without considering the shapes and the forms of what they're drawing, or they jump right into the project thinking I'll add it later, and so forth, meaning that it's flat and they're not considering form when they're trying to construct it, and so forth. I remember doing this when I first started out drawing, so on and so forth. Is the construction of the drawing should be done first. It allows you the most freedom and creativity. It lets you make sure things are right before adding shading or more permanent lines. Shading should be learned last. It's not as hard as people think. I feel like it's the more simpler of the basics. It's kind of like the paint or the polish of a woodworking project, meaning it will only heighten what's already there. Remember this, you can have great shading skill, but it will only show and heighten what you are drawing. Now, I'm not saying that shading isn't important, but it has its place, while things like shapes, forms, perspective, construction are, or maybe more important than the polish of your project. Now, what can we use in practice? I would say if you're a beginner, practice constructing shapes. Make sure to draw through those shapes to make sure it's right. If you have some experience, I like practicing perspective, constructing different shapes in perspective, in conclusion, and so this doesn't go on and on and on. Don't just jump into shading. Consider getting your drawing right, exploring with the construction line, and adding shape and form to your drawing them to make them pop. Ugh. With your choice of medium. I'm Thomas. You guys have been watching another drawing, illustrations, and art video, and I'll see you guys later. Wait. Before you go, in the comment section below, tell me how you use shape and form.